Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Spotify keeps lowering volume. First method is click three dots, click edit, click preferences, turn off normalize volume. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound Settings. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing. Click Apply, click OK. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Output Device, click Properties. Click Enhancements, check Disable all enhancements, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features, type Spotify, click Uninstall. Open any browser, type Spotify download in browser search bar. Click Windows Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.